Alright guys, we're gonna show you how to install the unit for Holden Cruze, or how to take out the parts. So first we're taking out this part. It's just easy and gentle.
This one?
We use this plastic thing not to scratch the parts. Good. We actually did it already. We already did it, but just want to show you how to start the process, how it is start, from what part you have to start the taking out parts. We have a little click here for the I think the lights. This part, we're taking out this part, the cover which is side by the unit. Just undo this.
Just use this one.
Alright, we already actually did that. We can see there's one screw here, one here. Undo this. So we have one screws here, one here, one here, and one here. 4 screws. We undo this. And 2 screws down here. It's here. Wait, we got one more here, one more here. Yeah. One here. Undo that. Is there any screws here? No more screws. All good. Undo this. Unplug the wire. Let's see. Undo this. And then we undo this part. It just here. First this part. Right. All right. Undo the clips, the wire. So, and after we undo the external part, and then we undo the actual unit, the factory unit. There's 2 screws here. Here. And then we were going to undo the factory unit, but the problem was there's 2 screws under this screen. We have to undo the screen. Undo the screen. There's 2 screws here. Alright, and then the unit easily came out. And unplug all the units, all the wires. Alright guys, we just undo this event from the factory unit, and then we will put them into our unit. So this is it, how it works. We undo this from this, and then we're gonna put them in our unit. That's it. As I explained to you guys, we take out the event from the factory unit and then put them with our unit. It's capable and nice. And you guys can see we connected the GPS here on the GPS plug. And now this is a Wi-Fi antenna. As you can see, but back of the unit, it says the Wi-Fi antenna.
4G.
4G antenna. So that means it's for the Wi-Fi. We did wiring and everything, so we're good to go. We're good to connect all the wires and accessories to the unit. So we're gonna show you what is this and what is that. So go ahead.
So this is power cable.
Okay. It's a bit hard to reach.
Canvas.
The canvas, like this thing. That's canvas. That's canvas wire.
So this is USB. We connect to the DAB.
The antenna, which has a wire here.
And so this one is a reverse camera.
Reverse camera goes there. You hear the
Click sound.
clip sounds.
So this is a antenna, radio antenna.
Radio antenna there.
GPS antenna.
GPS antenna. All the wires are connected. What we're gonna do is just
One more thing.
put the unit back in there and make some space for it.
So these two, SD card and USB, we run to the glove box. Okay, so we can install it.
In the back of the unit. Alright guys, we just wrap up all the wires and connected. Well, our unit is ready. We after we put all the wires in, and this is the second unit, you have to tighten it up, and then after that the actual unit. The climate control is the first one, and then the unit is the second step to put it. The 4 screws are there, and then the actual unit. All good. So we did install the front camera, but we made a switch for it on and here, just right here, we made a switch on it. So we're gonna connect the wire into it, and then good to go. And everything is wrapped up, and then we're good to go. I want to start the engine and show you guys. Alright, our unit is ready, and I'm gonna show you reverse camera. That's how reverse camera works. Let me show you the
Front camera.
front camera. Go to auxiliary, and this is our reverse camera. And we've got the CarPlay here, the CarPlay,
wireless.
wireless CarPlay, and then I'll show you how it works. So we go to our Wi-Fi, but we have to turn on both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. So it needs both. Is it autoplay? DA6, is it the right one?
Yep.
Is it this one?
Autoplay, yep.
Alright, autoplay. The device Bluetooth
Pairing.
binding code needs 40000. Code. Alright, the CarPlay is connecting to. All good, see? CarPlay just connected. So what else do we need? We have the radio station here.
I don't know what I'm gonna do.
That's actual digital radio.
Part of me says take it slow.
And we have navigation.
Don't stop doing what you're doing. I think we're moving.
And here's our GPS. It works perfectly. So destination. That works. Back. Okay. We have other apps. You can download, install anything you want to. So this is it.